Massive earthquake devastated Venezuela, leaving cities in ruins. But real terror? Scientists warn this exact disaster crawls straight toward California fault lines right now. Your home could be next. Look at the science. Geologists just connected the dots between Venezuela's shattered streets and California's sleeping giant. The same tectonic pressure building there is triggering warning lights along the San Andreas fault. Look at California's concrete jungles. Millions of people live and work in buildings designed exactly like the ones that just crumbled in Venezuela. One sudden jolt, and they will collapse like houses of cards. You cannot stop the ground from shaking, but you can survive it. Experts demand you update your emergency survival kits immediately. Food, water, medicine. Do it today before the grid goes dark. Survival takes more than emergency kits. We must reinforce our weak buildings immediately. Seismic retrofitting is the only shield protecting California's concrete giants from crumbling when the inevitable big one finally strikes. Time runs out fast. Every single second California waits brings us closer to total disaster. Look at Venezuela's ruins. That is our future if we ignore warnings. Prepare yourself now. Think you are safe inside your suburban home? Think again. The shockwaves traveling from South America can easily shatter your walls, trap your family, and turn your sanctuary into a tomb. Do not wait for the government to save you. When the big one hits California, emergency services will be completely overwhelmed. You are on your own. Start securing your heavy furniture right now. Look at the map. The fault lines are glowing red. You have minutes, maybe hours, before the shaking starts. Pack your bags, grab your family, and run to safety before it is too late. The clock is ticking, California. Venezuela was the warning shot, but the real disaster is heading your way right now. Will you prepare today, or will you be left buried under the rubble?